What's happening, everyone? My name is Adrian. Welcome back to What the Pun. As you've seen from the start of the video, we've started a bit of work on this Mark 7 Golf GTI. Very lovely colour. We've started basically on the rear diffuser and the side skirts. Unfortunately, being this time of the year, it got dark. We couldn't really finish the rest of it. But yeah, we're looking to smash it out now. Smash it out. It's been oh, sorry guys. This is Phil.
Hey guys.
Phil. Phil, I've met on when I used to do live streams on Whatnot. Yes, from basically almost day one. Phil was on my live streams, and just so happens, Phil likes golfs. Phil also is someone that knows someone that I used to work with as well. And I guess all the stars have aligned and we come together, we become like friends basically. So I thought, he's got like a Bodykit. I thought, why not give you a hand, get all fitted. But as far as I can tell, you got lowering springs, which the car is sitting very nicely on. Anything else have you done on the car, Phil?
So it's got some spacers on it. It's got a back box delete. It's got a res delete. And stage 1 remap at the moment. I do want to get the TCU map at some point. Probably going to be next year. But and uprated brakes as well. They've got the 340 M disc with RP 700 racing line brake pads.
Oh, nice.
So that's basically it for the moment.
So in terms of numbers, you said I didn't even know you had a stage 1 map, but in terms of the map, what kind of numbers is the car running on now?
We're looking at about 330 foot-pounds of torque and about 300 brake.
Nice.
So
I think
I'm happy with it. So yeah.
Okay. And anything at the front, like intake or anything like that, or is it all just bog standard right now?
Bog standard at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So like I said, we'll get the rest of it smashed out, but let me run through quickly how we got on with the rear diffuser and the side skirts, because that's a bit of a story. let me grab the camera and go run through it with you guys. So starting off with the side skirts, we took off the original GTI side skirts, as the instructions did say we had to remove them. So I think there was a screw at the front, screw at the back, might have been another one, but I can't. But then once you've removed the screws, you can basically see once you're underneath the car anyways. But then just need a nice little bashing from the front. So on this side, knock, and it basically drops off afterwards. And then make sure you have the adhesives in the right place, and then using the existing screw holes, you get some new screws anyways to then basically fasten it in. But yeah, looking good. The rear diffuser, on the other hand, which I thought was going to be the easiest to fit, turns out to be the one that we spent the most time on, because it's mainly disassembly of the removal of the original side skirt, which took the longest time. It's just because the car, I think, built up a lot of dirt and debris and all these sort of clip fastening areas. It kind of made it a bit of a struggle to push the original diffuser out. So we spent I think almost 2 hours on the rear diffuser. So just to the majority of that time is removing the old diffuser, and once that's finally came off, then it was a piece of cake to put the new one back on. But tips that you do have 2 plastic screws. If you struggle to have one of them come out, which you'd know because it basically just keeps turning and nothing happens, just use a bit of force from the other side to push it down whilst unscrewing, and that really helps it out. Otherwise, yeah, the most difficult bit is the clips. That there's a claw kind of looking clip on each end, the left and the right, that kind of really locks it into place, and that was the bit that we had to massage out the longest. But yeah, all right, so we're gonna get on with the rest of it. We'll smash out the park. So we're gonna start off with the spoiler at the top, just so it has enough time to really set and adhere, stick on. Just want to make sure it has enough time to stick on there. And then we're going to finish the front with the front splitter, which we've already made some holes for. All right, wish us luck. Okay, so the rear spoiler is done. We used the 3M tape that came with the spoiler, but also made a small bead of tiger seal. Thank you, Phil. Tiger seal along, just a very thin bead all across, just to give it that extra adhesion. So that's all stuck down, and we got some tape to just hold it into place, just so it gives it enough time to bond and do its magic. Looking nice though, looking very nice. So now, gonna lift up the car, finish up the front spoiler, which we front splitter, which we couldn't finish last time due to the lack of light. So yeah, that should be a doddle, fingers crossed. But the last time I said it was going to be a doddle, we spent too much time on the rear diffuser. So hopefully I didn't jinx myself. But yeah, let's go. That's it. So we are all done. Front, side skirts, diffuser, spoiler, all done, all done. Very, very, very good looking. Like, it is looking like a weapon now. What's your thoughts?
Mate, I'm taken away by it, honestly. Thank you so much. It's completely transformed the car.
100%.
Completely transformed it.
100%. Even like last time when we did the side skirts and the diffuser, it's already changed the characteristics of the car already. And now with the front and the rear spoiler, it's literally like
it's all uniformed.
Yeah, it's all come together. It looks really, really good. Yeah, enjoy your car. Enjoy your car.
I absolutely will. Honestly, this going to put a lot of miles on my face. So.
in terms of like putting the front splitter on, like, cause yours came in 3 pieces, we had to get quite creative with how we fitted it on. So like in the guide it was like put each section one at a time and then or secure it, but then given like we didn't want to take the front bumper off, we had to get a bit more creative. We stuck it all in and then secured it into position one section at a time. I understand why the front bumper needed to be taken off, because for some of the bits, you can't literally reach into it without taking the front bumper off. So we've done what we could. We believe it's secure enough, but if you feel like we need to revisit and then take the front bumper off, I'm always available. But it's looking good, looking great. We struggled a bit on the right hand side because I think it's first attempt, so we had to kind of get a bit creative, think outside the box. But then once we understood how to do that side, this left side was a doddle basically. But yeah, love it, loving the look, very happy with the result, and yeah, definitely 100% enjoy the car, Phil. Enjoy the car. I'm very happy that you've come to me with this to let me get on with it. I really enjoyed fitting a body kit. I've never Like, I've not done a body kit on any of my cars before, so this was like a first time, and I'm glad it went well.
It's a learning curve.
Yeah, it's a learning curve, so definitely 100%. So
thank you so much.
very welcome. But in terms of content, I mean, it really depends on the weather, because we're lucky that today was dry, to be fair. And if we did tomorrow's a different question. If tomorrow's like tomorrow's raining, and we're lucky that today stays dry to get everything done. And as you can see, we managed to get everything done before it went dark, and it's starting to it's coming. But I can't promise you in terms of what's coming up next. I really want to get some stuff done on my car, but that really depends on up there. That really depends on up there. But be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out what's coming up. And yeah, if you're liking content, be sure to like the content. If you want to see something in particular, be sure to drop a comment in the box down below. In terms of the kits, we will put a link to... What's the name of this kit?
So it's a Zaero Design kit.
Zaero Design kit. So I will put a link down below. So if you want to look for the same kits, we'll have links below. I think you said the kit is slightly different on a 7.5. Slightly different on a 7.5. So be sure, if you've got a Mark 7 or Mark 7.5, be sure to get the kit designed for your car, because the fitment is slightly different in certain places. But anyways, that's it from me this week. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much, Phil, for coming.
Mate, cheers, thank you.
Smashed it. Take care, man. Take it easy.